Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, yet it's often overlooked until a problem appears. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, understanding roof lifespan is essential for maintaining comfort, protecting your investment, and avoiding unexpected repairs. Knowing what affects your roof's longevity, and when to take action, can help you plan ahead and keep your home in top condition. The lifespan of a roof depends largely on the materials used. Asphalt shingles, one of the most common roofing materials, typically last around 20 to 30 years. Metal roofs can last 40 to 70 years, while higher-end materials like slate or tile may last even longer. However, these timelines are not fixed. In Rochester Hills, weather conditions such as snow, rain, wind, and seasonal temperature changes can influence how long your roof actually lasts. Climate plays a major role in roof durability. Rochester Hills experiences cold winters, occasional heavy snowfall, and warm summers. These fluctuations can cause roofing materials to expand and contract over time. Ice dams, for example, can form during winter and lead to water buildup under shingles. Over time, these conditions can accelerate wear and reduce the overall lifespan of your roof. Installation quality is another key factor. Even the best materials won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. A professionally installed roof ensures proper alignment, sealing, and ventilation. This helps prevent issues like leaks, uneven wear, and structural damage. Homeowners should always work with experienced professionals to ensure their roof is built to last. Ventilation and insulation also affect roof lifespan. Proper attic ventilation helps regulate temperature and moisture levels, preventing heat buildup in the summer and condensation in the winter. Without adequate ventilation, your roof may deteriorate more quickly. Insulation works alongside ventilation to maintain a stable environment, reducing stress on roofing materials. Regular maintenance is essential for extending the life of your roof. Small issues, such as loose shingles or minor leaks, can quickly turn into larger problems if left unaddressed. Routine inspections, especially after severe weather, help identify damage early. Cleaning gutters, removing debris, and checking flashing around vents and chimneys are simple steps that can make a big difference. Another important consideration is the age of your roof. Even if it appears to be in good condition, an older roof may be more vulnerable to damage. Homeowners in Rochester Hills should keep track of when their roof was installed and begin planning for replacement as it approaches the end of its expected lifespan. Waiting too long can lead to costly repairs or interior damage. Signs of aging are often easy to spot. Curling or missing shingles, discoloration, sagging areas, and water stains inside your home are all indicators that your roof may need attention. If you notice any of these issues, it's important to have your roof inspected by a professional as soon as possible. Energy efficiency is another factor tied to roof condition. An aging or damaged roof can allow air to escape, making it harder to maintain indoor temperatures. This can lead to higher energy bills and reduced comfort. A well-maintained or newly replaced roof helps improve insulation and supports a more efficient home. Planning for roof replacement is just as important as maintaining your current one. Budgeting ahead of time allows you to choose the right materials and schedule the project at a convenient time. It also reduces the stress of dealing with unexpected repairs. In Rochester Hills, many homeowners take a proactive approach by replacing their roof before major issues arise. Professional inspections provide valuable insight into your roof's condition. Experts can assess wear, identify potential problems, and recommend solutions based on your specific situation. This guidance helps you make informed decisions about maintenance, repairs, or replacement. In the end, understanding roof lifespan is about being proactive rather than reactive. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, factors like material choice, climate, installation quality, and maintenance all play a role in how long a roof will last. By staying informed and taking the right steps, you can protect your home, avoid costly surprises, and ensure your roof continues to perform reliably for years to come.